Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding with Liz. In today's video, we're going to talk about the limit clause in SQL and how to combine it with order by to rank results. This is how you answer questions like, who are the top 5 highest paying customers? What are the 10 most recent transactions? And what are the 3 lowest performing products? If you want to move from beginner SQL to thinking like a data analyst, this is an essential concept. Let's get into it. The limit clause restricts the number of rows returned by a query. The basic syntax is select the columns from the table and limit to a certain number. Here is an example. Select apostrophe from customers, limit 3. This simply returns the first 3 rows in the table. It is important to note that without order by, limit does not give you the top rows. It just gives you the first row SQL happens to return. So by itself, limit is not ranking anything. This is where it gets powerful. Let's say we have a customers table. If we want the top 2 highest spending customers, we do select first name, total spent from customers, order by total spent descending, limit 2. Here's what happens step by step. First, SQL sorts by total spent from largest to smallest. Then, limits to returns only the top 2 rows. That's ranking. This is one of the most common real-world SQL patterns. If we instead want the lowest 2 spenders, we can do select first name, total spent from customers, order by total spent ascending, limit 2. Now, SQL sorts smallest to largest first, then limits to 2 rows. So remember, descending equals highest values first, ascending equals lowest values first, and limit equals how many you want. Now let's say we have an orders table. If we want the 3 most recent orders, we can query select order ID and order date from orders, order by order date descending, and limit 3. Because dates increase over time, descending gives us the newest dates first. This is extremely common in dashboards, activity feeds, and transaction histories. It's important to understand the order of execution. SQL processes this logically as first, the from clause, second, where, third, select, fourth, order by, and fifth, limit. So, if we wrote select first name, total spent from customers, where total spent is greater than 500, order by total spent descending, and limit 3, SQL would filter customers who spent more than 500. Second, sort them from highest to lowest. And third, return the top 3 of those. That's how you build intelligent ranking queries. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you learn to master order by and limit, you're thinking like a professional analyst. In the next video, we'll move into something even more powerful, possibly group by and aggregate functions. If this helped you, make sure to stay tuned for next week's video.